Okay, we're going to look at one more of the homework problems, and this dealt with two trains. There's two trains are leaving the station at the same time, with one train traveling south at 20 miles per hour, and the other train traveling west at 33 miles per hour. How fast is the distance between those trains changing after 3 hours at t equals 3? Okay, so let's talk about what we know and what we don't know. And we're going to have to be a little careful on this problem because I know everyone sees at 33. They know it's a rate of change. We can see that, but you may be tempted to make that a negative because it's heading west. I'm going to tell you that it's going to be a positive value, and I'll talk about why. So let's talk about the things we know. We've got to label these sides first of all. I'm going to label this side x, and this side y, and this side z. So we've labeled our three sides. And let's write down the things we know first. Do we know x and do we know y? No, not for the entire problem. We don't know that because they're changing all the time. But we know dx dt, and we know dy dt. I know dy dt is going to be positive 20. But I also know dx dt is going to be positive 33. And I know it doesn't make a lot of sense right now. If we use the other way around, it would still kind of work out. But here's the reason why. What's happening to that quantity x as time goes by? Taylor, that orange line, is it getting bigger or smaller? Right, so x is increasing. The size of x is increasing. And the problem is written this way to try to get you to go for the negative direction, but the quantity is increasing, so the rate of change is positive. I have dx dt, I have dy dt. I need an equation that relates the things. What am I looking for? I'm looking to find... First, I write down what I need to find. I'm looking for dz dt, I believe. Yep. How fast is the distance between them changing? dz dt equals question mark. And I'm also looking for at t equal to 3. So I need an equation that relates the quantities. I think we all know that's x squared plus y squared equals z squared. And we know if we take the derivative of that, it's 2x dx dt plus 2y dy dt equals 2z dz dt. And I'm looking for what I know. I know dx dt, and that's 33. I know dy dt is 20. And I'm surprised, be right there. And I'm looking for dz dt. But here's the question, what are x and y? Well, the key here is it's at t equals 3. At 3, x will be 99 because it's gone 3. Okay, because I knew it took 3 hours. 3 hours at 33 is going to be 99. Plus, now I know it's gone 3 hours in the y direction. So 3 hours at 20 miles per hour is going to be 60. So the real question is, what is z going to be? Well, I will just use my Pythagorean formula, or my original equation, to solve that out. So it's going to be 90, turn on my calculator right now. A to calculate. So it's going to be the square root. Not in Scratchpad here. It's going to be the square root of 99 squared plus 60 squared. That's 115.7. And the reason I couldn't fill the x and y at the beginning is x and y are not always 90 and 60. They change as time goes by. So I have to work with it that way. So I've got 115.7. And now I'm going to solve this on out. I'll do the steps here. 2 times 99 times 33. That's 6534. Plus 2 times 60 times 20 is 2 times 60 times 20. 2400 equals 2 times 115.7 is 231.4. And I'm going to add together 6534 plus 2400. And then we divide that by 231.4, and I will get the answer dz dt to be 38.6.